Decided the next minor modification, but it's going to help me out quite a bit, especially in this cold, that has to do with the town car. After searching around for a while today, I was on Amazon and I found a set of full-length heated pads that you actually trim to your liking for your seats. You just get one set, you get two. And a lot of the manufacturers aren't shipping until the beginning or mid-March because so many people are buying them right now. But the link that I'm going to leave as the first comment is a set that's $46.99, comes with the relay, fuse, the buttons and stuff. So there's going to be some minor modification to do, but it's taken a signature series Lincoln Town Car and turning it into more than what it was, like an executive or one of the more higher end versions of the Lincoln Town Car was. The L series that has all the bells and whistles. I don't want to be there. I would love to have a town car with that, but sometimes more features mean more problems. I love those cars. I may eventually in the future get one, but I want more options in my town car, and this is one of the things I'm going to do to make that happen. So here's some of the screenshots of what's in the kit. It was $46.99. It says it's arriving by 10 p.m. tomorrow night, and this will be the next build. If the front seats go as planned, it has a high and a low setting, and anytime you restart the vehicle, if you leave the last setting on, I think it's set up to where the trigger is accessory mode. So that might mean your 46, what is it, 36, no, 46, 47, or 36, 37, or if it's like a Bosch relay, your pin 1, what is it, like 1 and 2 or something like that, is only excited whenever the accessory is turned on. That's what opens that circuit and lets the circuit complete. The key has to be in the on position. So you can leave them on, and each time you go back to the vehicle, as soon as it hits a key cycle, it completes the relay. The relay then lets your power circuit send it through the fuse to the heating coils based on, well, it would be the fuse through the resistor in the switch to the heating coil, and that's how it would know what your setting is. But this is something I'm interested in doing, and if you guys are too, then here in the next couple days we will be starting this project. I'm going to heat the front seats, and then if it goes as well as I think it will, we'll put a set in the rear too, so we have heated front and rear seats. Let me know what you think. If you're wanting to join and you want me to wait for the kit, and then you want me to wait to do it so you're not sitting on the kit, I'll do that as well. But leave me your thoughts below. If you'd like to join me in this, I'd be more than willing to help out, especially getting it all installed.